Hi. Today we will learn how to take the full screenshot of a ChatGPT search page top to bottom. If you have a chat or research with ChatGPT in Chrome browser and you want to have the whole page captured, then this video is going to help you the best. With normal screenshot, you cannot take more than the visible part. So, we need an extension. Go to 3 dots. Extensions. Chrome Web Store. Type Fireshot. This is the tool I like the most for scrolling capture. Simply install it. I already did it. The S icon is there, it means installed. Now, to get the whole web page chat, simply go with Capture Entire Page. And within a second it will be capturing the whole page and will take you to a preview. Here you can see the whole chat I had with ChatGPT. Now I can save it as an image, and can also capture as PDF. After the image is taken, you can see the quality of the screenshot. It's smooth and no flicker is there. It's perfect. Now, if I save it as a PDF, it's also great. Another important thing is, if you want to get the screenshot from a particular part, then it's also possible. Come to the extension again and choose Capture Selection. Go to the corner and click. It will capture the point you want it from. As you can see, it captured from the yes writing. So, this is how you can simply get the whole web page captured of ChatGPT easily with a simple extension in Google Chrome. I will also make a tutorial on how to do it in Mozilla Firefox browser. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.